At EasyGo, we're consumed with what's next. We're constantly looking for ways to outperform and outachieve, and we never slow down. So when we set out to create our best vehicle ever, full speed ahead was the only way forward. Introducing the all-new EasyGo Liberty. Our newest innovation that's pushing everything in a new direction. Its clean energy ELiTE lithium powertrain is the most forward-thinking in the industry, but a greener ride was just the beginning. We've pushed the limits of design by optimizing the wheelbase for unprecedented handling and control, and flipped the script by flipping the rear seats forward. It's an experience ahead of its time, with more room, more comfort, and more performance than anything else out there. It's our answer to the future and our promise to never look back. Because if we've learned anything over the past 60+ years, it's that you'll never go anywhere if you're not charging forward.